Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to recover photos from a digital camera using Wondershare Data Recovery. The first step is to load up the program and plug in your camera. In this case I have an SD card for my camera plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and click on Lost File Recovery, and I'll select my SD card which has my digital camera stuff on it. I'm then going to change the selected file kind to image since I'm searching for photos. And then we need to decide whether a deep scan is necessary or not. Now, a deep scan is basically an in-depth, detailed scan that will look super deep and for old, lost files. The downside to this is it does take up to a couple more hours or even a couple more days, depending on how many sectors it has to go through. So it's basically a last resort if a normal scan doesn't find what you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and do a normal scan, so I'll click on scan, and now the program's going to go through my digital camera card and look for images, and it looks like it found some, and we can click on the images in here and preview them. Sometimes they don't have previews, but sometimes we can actually see the previews. I'm going to go ahead and select some files that I like, and anything that I check is something that I'm going to recover. So I'm just going to select several JPEGs here, and on the bottom it's actually telling me how many files I have selected and how big they are. The last step is to actually recover these files. We'll go up to the recover button and select it. We'll select an output location and click on save, and now it's going to save our files to our location. And once it's complete, it'll load up the location where it saved our files, and we can now see our newly recovered files. And that's how you recover photos from a digital camera using Wondershare Data Recovery.